In this video, we are going to learn about voters list. We will see what is voters list and why it is needed. In last video, we learned about reserved constituencies. Now we have reserved the constituencies. Now we have to take elections. So who will vote if elections are held? All these things are depend on voters list. So what is voters list? Like you have decided, the constituencies are decided. Now, the question is who will vote in your country? So, the people who will vote their names will be voters list. Means the people, those who will vote, their names will be in voters list. And voters list is also called electoral roll, but officially it is called voters list. Voters list is a list of the person eligible to vote, means person who are eligible, their names are found in voters list. It is a basic term and it is not a broad topic. Voters list is very simple list in which there are names of the eligible people of your constituency who can vote. Usually all country have their own but slowly we are adopting universal adult franchisee. So voters list is based on the principle of universal adult franchisee. According to universal adult franchisee, we neglect the caste, creed, religion or gender and gives the voting right to the eligible candidate of your constituency or the country. So this adopt one vote, one value. In our country, 18 years above aged can vote in an election. Can we take away the voting right from anyone? It happens in a very rare case. Like cases like in which criminals and persons with unsound mind, means who is mentally disturbed, these people doesn't get voting right or the voting right is taken away. But this is also in rare condition. Two things are two things more we learn here. First thing is told about the photo identity, means in short we call it as epic. Means some years ago government of India launched a card which is called as voter card. It has the photo of voters, so this voter ID is known as epic. This is a document or identity card. It is also known as voter ID and it is easy to recognize to the voter who came to vote, and it is not mandatory to take it with you while voting. You can take another ID with you like your driving license, your Aadhaar card, etc. Epic is made to make election transparent. That's why initiative is taken by government. Now we will take the updation of voter list. Why it is necessary? What is updation? As you update our syllabus, you update your vehicles, means delete the old things and add new things. Okay, as we update our syllabus, as we update our vehicles, right? So like in 2019 the voters list is made, and is this voter list will be same? No, because some people will get eligible to give votes, means like in the next election the people who cross the age of 18 years, so their names will be added, and the people those who died their names will be deleted. So there should be regular updation of voters list. Our next topic is nomination of candidates. Now anyone who can be voter can also become a candidate in election. We talk about the equality in our country, political equality. Every person has right, if he or she is eligible, can present himself or herself as a candidate in election. Every person who is eligible to vote regardless of his or her caste, religion, gender, creed, also eligible for participating in election. Only difference is of age. Means to vote your age should be 18 years and above, and to be a candidate in election, to contest the election, the minimum age is 25 years. And the next important thing is, it is not unequally equality, but is an dimension, that in a reserve constituency the candidate of that category only can stand for which it is reserved. Means our country is divided in various constituencies. Okay, so some are the reserve constituencies for the particular caste, like suppose um, the constituency is reserved for SC candidates. So from that constituency, the candidate who belongs to scheduled caste can stand for the for contesting the elections. Okay, the next is ticket. What is the ticket? Here the ticket doesn't means the bus ticket or the railway ticket. Here the ticket means, like there are different political parties. These political parties give um, tickets to their candidate to stand in election, and this ticket is a approval of the party that this candidate will stand in election on behalf of their party. Okay, the next is nomination form, and in this, when the candidate is fixed by the party, then or the candidate wants to stand independently, then they have to fill the nomination form, and in that nomination form they have to fill their whole information. Okay, then next is a security deposit. Means they have to deposit some specific amount or fund to election commission, that they are capable, it means that they are capable of contesting the election, and before contesting the election the candidate has to disclose some information in the public, right? Then every candidate has to make legal declaration and has to give uh, full details of, and the Supreme Court, the every candidate has to make a legal declaration, give full details of. The first is serious criminal cases pending against the candidate. It means that if any candidate has if it means that the candidate has to tell whether any criminal case is against him or her. If yes, then the candidate has to fill in nomination form. Second is details of the assets and liabilities of the candidate and his or her family. Means they have to declare the details of the property and the loan taken by the candidate. Previous candidate has to declare only the time of filling the nomination form. Now Supreme Court has made it compulsory to declare two times. Means first before nominating the before filling the nomination form, and after that, when the candidate resigns from his post, at that time he has to declare that before the election I have such assets and liabilities, and after the resignation I have this much properties. Okay, and or either if the uh, candidate wins the election and he works for 5 years, and after 5 years he has to declare that before election I have such properties, and after this 5 years I am having, after working for 5 years I have now this much properties. He has to declare all his assets and liabilities. Okay, so the third thing is education qualification of the candidate. Candidate has to tell the educational qualification. Now the nomination can is declare uh, how the nomination is done of candidate. Okay, then candidate has to nominate the name before election commission. Before that they have to take ticket from political party, but if they want to stand independent, they doesn't need ticket. Ticket is just an approval that the party is approving you to contest election in its name. So now there is a question: why don't we have any educational qualification for candidate? Okay, like when we approach for the government job, we need minimum qualification that we should be 10th pass or 12th pass or graduation or post graduation. Okay, but when we talk about election, when we have to contest the election, you have to become MP or MLA or Prime Minister. You don't need any relevant qualification that you should be 10th pass, 12th pass or graduate. Okay, so why don't you think that government has not made any laws for it? Because the people who want to contest the election, why the people who want to contest the election should have educational qualification? So, our country says we believe in political equality. Political, Politically, every person has right to represent him or her in election. The person can show his quality and win the election. If suppose you give the criteria that the candidate should be 12th pass, but the major section of our country is not even 12th pass. So indirectly you are making that people ineligible to contest the election. So if you put the criteria of education, so where is the political equality? What qualification we see here? Whether the leader is possessing the leadership quality or not, or as the leader or the leader is capable to solve the problems of people or not. This is the qualification for the for contesting the elections. Okay.